Let's double check the Polkadot, guys. Once again, just speculation, because people sometimes even write me DM or the comments like, stop shilling the Polkadot. Guys, I'm not shill any token. I don't care about any of these tokens. My main focus is to make a profit in USD with the trades. Sometimes we can invest in the tokens and the stock like I did with some altcoins, but it's my own risk. We can't know which one token will be delisted, will be listed, will be hacked. We can't know in a moment. We can't know. That's why what you have to understand, it's a fundamental mean nothing. The marketing only drive the crypto. And sometimes we can see that I'm laughing because yes, marketing drive the crypto, but you can see the perfect marketing from the Polkadot, but it not even that money, what they push into the marketing can't save the token, the price of the token. Also, everybody screaming about Polkadot as a future Polkadot gem. I don't exactly understand what exactly the gem should bring to the Polkadot ecosystem, right? And why that token should skyrocket with that gem. But this is a fact. This is a data. So this is Artemis, and you can check the Polkadot. We track the active revenue, chain fees, chain transaction, daily active users in the chain. 1 month period. So here, December 1st, 2 days ago, Polkadot chain transaction, 15K. 15K. The Plasma transactions, just a brand new token, just a fresh new one, 16K. All right, users. No, daily transactions, yes, correct. Polkadot daily active users, 4K, 4.6K. And you want to say something about a mass adoption. I don't want to blame that Polkadot. I just want to open some open source data and show you. So the marketing only drive this token, not some fundamental. Daily active users, 4.6K daily users. It's nothing. It's nothing for the token like this one. So promising. A Polkadot chain fees revenue, $82 a day. Polkadot active revenue, $22. It's kind of weird, guys. It's absolutely weird. You can open the source and double check Polkadot chain transactions. What's happening here in November? We saw like 7 million transactions, 6 million transactions, December in 2023. Now nobody uses Polkadot. So it's kind of weird. So this is I don't know what happened here with chain fees in 2023. December. What happened here in December? December 2023. With that one. Something happened here. All right. Anyway, guys, like speculation, I believe, just like speculation, if the market makers got a plan to put the price of this token higher again, and a lot of, like influencer will start shield this token, we can go to the main target. What I'm waiting for Polkadot is $34, not even higher. So that's it. Can we go higher? Yes, of course, guys. Everything is possible. And the same story, like possible, we dump it to 63 cents. On the Binance, yes, of course, on the Binance, on other exchanges, maybe it will not drop that low. So now we underrated, trade under fair value on weekly. So it's $2.51, like speculation. Take profit line. This is a zone where you need to fix a profit or withdraw initial deposit. And now at this current moment, it's 18 level by FIB, $6.66. Around this one. So it will be not a mistake to fix the price here. What I don't like, let's hide the global FIB. What I don't like, we not drop that much to close the 50% of the week. Let's maybe we close. So let's double check. So here we got a week almost touch $1.93 on the weekly, and on the daily, if we count, also not drop it. That's why I'll be not surprised if the Polkadot will drop once again under $2, $1.79. It's not necessary, but more than real to see. $1.79, $1.51, more than real to see the Polkadot if we'll see the continuation of the downtrend lower. Got it. If we recover from current prices, yes, the road will be straightforward to the $6.66, and there you can fix the profit. Daily, we try and hold the line at the buy line. Fundamental wall of the stock in $1.65 on the daily time frame. This line, so you can be ready to see this price. If you're not ready, guys, better skip the talking. Take profit on the day on the daily $4.39, $4.39. This is it. Take a look at the trade on. Sell signal on a daily was June 75, drop, flash crash, take profit, buy. Today we saw the signal to buy, but this signal can disappear. Oh, yesterday. Yes, it's confirmed. So it was a signal to buy. Weekly time frame, no signal to buy yet, or close position. It's kind of bad. I think anyway, one day we go and pump over than $12 at least to sweep these actual highs. So just a matter of time. Locally, I can say something extra bullish for this token. Technically, on a weekly time frame, it's accumulation with the warranty. Good one. So it's not time to sell. Guys, I'm not a fan of this token or any other tokens. You can open the Zcash, for example. Who care about the Zcash? Nobody talk about Zcash. And the market makers pump the token, create the narrative around the privacy tokens. And everybody start talk about a privacy token like it's the future, but nobody cared about this token before. That's why the same story can be with the Polkadot. Now nobody talk about this token. We lay down at the bottom when the market makers will start pump this token, just like speculation, right? With the ETF, maybe they will approve the Polkadot ETF on all of this stuff. We can go over then $12 to $13. Everybody start talking about, oh, we going to the moon. Polkadot, it's a jam, and it's going to be the time to sell. So be ready, be ready. Direction, no accumulation, nothing, so just neutral. Daily, this is accumulation on a daily. This accumulation, it's good. Technically, it's good. Direction on a daily, no signal for accumulation. At least we need to see something like this one, like we saw in the summer, 25. Market smooth, it's capitulation, disbelief, weekly time frame capitulation on the weekly, monthly capitulation. So nobody care about Polkadot. So if we can't know, do the whales, do the market makers get a plan to put the price higher or not, we can't know, right? But now it's based on risk ratio, right? It's okay time to buy. But of course, better to wait or buy now, up to your own risk, and at $5 without initial deposit, $4.50, $4.60, or wait $1.50. Correction to close to 50% of the week. Money power, monthly, no money inflow, but at least we lay down at the bottom. The last time MACD bullish, the words, it was in June. We not bounce it, not pump it. No money inflow on the weekly. So let's add alert, guys, on the money inflow on the weekly time frame. I would like to track it. I'm in Polkadot. Yes, I'm not a fan, but I'm stuck in Polkadot since 2021 with the DCA, you know. So I'm waiting out at a break even. My entry around $13, $15. So yeah, sometimes it's happy because I made a mistake. With the Polkadot, I stake my Polkadot while I need to sell and take a profit while I stake and get participate in the Polkadot parachains. Yes, I received the tokens like Austin Network, Clover, Moonbeam, Glimmer, like a drop, you know, on Binance from parachains, but it was a mistake. So I could sell the Polkadot, get a more good profit from Polkadot, and now at the bottom with that stable coins, I could buy much more Polkadot token and much more all of these other parachains tokens. But I trap it. I trap it because I believe in that parachains idea. So the last and trade on I showed you. So guys, targets I showed you. The capitulation I guess can be at $1.65, around $1.50. So just be ready to hop in again for futures. Maybe I will open the trade with a $1.68 with a second leverage. So guys, targets I showed you. I highly recommend going to Artemis, double check the dot, the realistic picture about this token. If you would like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matagam Show. See you next time, guys.